What's up, guys? So since I've sold the Mavic and I sold the Spark, and I'm waiting for my Mavic Air to get in the mail, I thought it'd be fun to pull the Parrot off of the shelf. And we're flying the RYLO on top of it, just playing around with some mounts to see what I can do whenever I get my Mavic Air in, just doing some test flights. But this was kind of fun, just in the parking lot, and I thought I'd share it with you guys. It's kind of cool. I forgot how cool this little drone is, so I think I'm going to pull the Parrot out and do some videos on the Parrot. This should be a viable option, especially if you got the RYLO, or you have, some small cameras. This would be a great little camera, or this would be a great little drone for you guys. So anyway, just enjoy the flight, just going back and forth in the parking lot. I'm not taking it too high tonight because it's I live next to some big power lines, so it's kind of dangerous to fly around my apartment. But yeah, pretty cool little flight. So feel free to look around, look down at the Parrot, look around. I'm probably going to take it out to the ballpark and fly it around the fields later on this week. But yeah, I'll stop talking and just enjoy the flight.